Welcome. My name is Darius, and today we will say a very powerful prayer of deliverance. Join me in prayer right now if you believe in the mighty power of God.
In this video, I bring you a unique prayer to the angel Abundia, the divine being of prosperity and abundance. This angel is invoked when you need help clearing debts, achieving financial stability, and finding professional and personal success. These blessings can come from many sources, such as unexpected income, financial success, investments, and more. But remember, to see results, you must have faith and believe that you are worthy of divine riches. Say this prayer with great faith. Visualize and feel the flow of money and prosperity in your life. Power Prayer. Magnificent Angel Abundia, divine being of infinite prosperity and limitless abundance, I call upon you with deep faith, love, and gratitude. In this sacred moment, I humbly invite you into my life, asking that you descend with your radiant golden energy, wrapping me in your protective and nurturing wings of light. May your sweetness, grace, and gentleness guide me in every step I take, leading me toward a life of prosperity, peace, and well-being. I ask you to hear my prayer, beloved angel, and attend to my needs with your heavenly kindness, shining your light upon the path to abundance. Glorious angel of wealth, I ask that you bestow upon me the resources necessary for my financial security and peace of mind. Allow me to live in joy, free from the worries of scarcity, knowing that abundance is ever present in my life. Guide me to prosperity, both in my personal and professional endeavors, so that I may thrive and succeed with grace. May the doors to financial freedom and well-being open before me, unlocked by your golden keys, allowing me to walk the paths of abundance, illuminated by your divine love. With humility and openness, I ask that you illuminate my mind, my heart, and my spirit. Help me to release the limiting thoughts, fears, and doubts that have kept me from fully embracing the flow of abundance. Clear away the mental and emotional blocks that stand in the way of my prosperity. Replace them with thoughts of gratitude, faith, and joy, allowing me to invite divine blessings into every area of my life. Let me feel the peace that comes from trusting in your guidance, knowing that I am supported by your heavenly power and protection. O Angel of Abundance, I ask that your transforming power touch every aspect of my being, my thoughts, my emotions, my actions. May the blessed energy of wealth, prosperity, and financial freedom flow continuously and abundantly through my life. Let this energy manifest in all that I do, ensuring that I am always provided for, and that I have more than enough to share with others. May your presence fill my home with light and warmth, ensuring that my family and I are always surrounded by love, prosperity, and peace. Keep our table full, our pantries overflowing, and our hearts content in the knowledge that we are blessed and cared for. Heavenly Angel, I ask that you extend your blessings to my family. Shower them with your care and unconditional love, ensuring that we live in harmony, joy, and financial stability. May our lives be blessed by your radiant presence, and may we always feel your guidance leading us toward a brighter, more abundant future. Illuminate my faith with your golden rays of light, so that I may walk with confidence, knowing that my heart is as pure as gold, and my thoughts shine as brilliantly as diamonds. Help me to hold fast to my dreams, trusting that you are working behind the scenes to bring them to fruition. Divine Spirit of wealth and fortune, surround me with your sacred magnetism, and guide me toward financial success and freedom. May all that I touch prosper and grow. As the seeds of abundance you have planted in my life take root and flourish. Open my eyes to new opportunities, ones that lead to unexpected gains and financial breakthroughs. Reveal to me the paths I must take to achieve my goals, and grant me the wisdom to make sound decisions. I trust that your guidance will steer me in the right direction, and that your blessings will unfold in ways I have yet to imagine. Show me the numbers and signs that point to success, especially in moments where financial decisions are critical. Bless me with revealing dreams and insights, guiding me toward actions that will lead to prosperity. Let the energy of wealth and abundance flow freely into my life, filling every corner with light and possibility. May my mind and heart always be open to receiving these blessings with gratitude and grace. Allow me to be a conduit of this energy, sharing my abundance with those in need, and spreading the joy of prosperity wherever I go. O Supreme Divine Force, I declare and take possession of the powerful words contained in this prayer. I know that my request has already been heard, and that my life is in the process of being transformed by your divine presence. I trust that the golden light of abundance is pouring over me now, touching not only me, but everyone I encounter. May prosperity, success, and happiness radiate from my life, and may I be a beacon of hope and abundance for others. I surrender fully to the flow of prosperity that you are sending my way. I open my heart, my mind, and my spirit to receive your sacred gifts. I am ready to step into the life of abundance that has been prepared for me, confident in your divine guidance. I thank you for your constant protection, for your endless generosity, and for the blessings that are already making their way into my life. I trust in your power, Angel Abundia, knowing that with you by my side, my life will always be filled with prosperity, peace, and joy. Thank you, Angel Abundia, for your presence in my life, for your unwavering support, and for the abundance that is flowing to me now. I know that I am blessed and favored by the divine, and I stand ready to receive all the gifts that are meant for me. So it is, and so it shall be. Amen.
Type Amen if you feel abundant. Watch this important message right now.